Good day, I am Melvin Nagutom. Today, I want to talk to you about the incredible world of fisheries in the aquatic science. An often overlooked field that holds the key to our planet's health and our future. As stewards of our aquatic ecosystem, we have the power to influence the sustainable of fish populations and the overall balance of our environment. With over 70% of the Earth's surface covered by water, our oceans, rivers, and lakes are teeming with life, providing billions of people with food, jobs, and recreation. But the challenges we face are significant. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change threaten our aquatic resources. And it's up to scientists, advocates, and everyday citizens to take action. By advancing our understanding of aquatic ecosystem and implementing sustainable practices, we can ensure the future generations inherit a thriving, vibrant world beneath the wave. Let us embrace the beauty and importance of our fisheries and aquatic science. Together we can fight to apply for policies that protect our waters, promote responsible fisheries and practices, and inspire others to appreciate and safeguard these vital resources. The time is to act. The time is to act now. Let's commit to making a difference for our aquatic friends and the health of our planet. Thank you.